Why don't you get up a little bit and see what she does? Good puppy. Pet her too. She seems more interested in your petting than your food. Walk a little bit away from her, just like 2 steps. There.
You want a treat?
She's cute. Get the toy and see. Drag it slow and let her see it. She's more interested in you. Where you going?
I think she